Hi Team Excelytics.
Hi.
You know that the entire nation is celebrating the historic inauguration of Ram Mandir. In this context, if I ask you how you can use Excel to celebrate this event, and I know it's been a long journey for you with Excel and data analytics tool, so I'm expecting a surprising way to wish all Indians.
That's an interesting question. So we have come up with a concept called pixel in Excel. So let's take a look. The selected image can be recreated using Excel just by adjusting the row height and the column width to 14 pixels and just by filling the colors like this. Using the same technique, if we want to get Lord Sri Rama picture that has 520 pixels width and 340 pixels height, altogether it has 176,800 pixels. Using this link, we can convert the each and every pixel of this image into its RGB codes. Copy these codes to the clipboard and then paste into Excel. Just click on this process codes macro button to convert all these codes into their RGB combination. Go to the image output sheet. In this sheet, we have all the columns and the rows are adjusted to 1 pixel each. Click on the macro button that will convert all the RGB codes into their colors and will fill into the sheet. You can create any kind of an image like this using Excel. So this is all about Pixel in Excel. Excel can do so many miracles like this. If you want to know more about it, join Excelytics to Excel in Analytics.